I'm Sina. I'm a coordinator for product development and design at Snocks. Snocks has been in business since 6 years. It's been now 7 years this year, and our team is about 7 people.
My name is Chiara Panz. I'm working now 3 years at Snocks. I'm the team lead for product development, product design, and quality management. Before using Delogue, it was that we were using Excel lists and drawing tools. And it was a long process to come to the product, and we lost a lot of time, to be honest.
It impacted our business as whole in cases like if there were measurements communicated, which then you couldn't find anymore in the communication via mail. And then the supplier would be like, what are the correct measurements? We would have to check a whole delivery. So it's really a lot of work behind these small mistakes then.
I could see the improvements very quickly, but I would say to see it directly and to see, oh wow, it's now a change, it was when we really received the first proto samples, and it was much more on point.
Delogue definitely helps with a supplier relationship, because for them it's also much easier to check what's been said, what's been commented, and all that stuff, or especially sample requests. They can always check, okay, which samples have been requested. With the other PLM systems I've worked before, there were no suppliers involved at all. So it was like more work than it is now.
It's much better than the PLM system from my past, to be honest. It's more modern, it's more, I would say it's very flexible. Also the interaction with the people from Delogue, it's super easy.
Delogue is really easy to work with. It's really intuitive to work with. It's also always nice to see that it's developing. So it's not a done solution. There will be no changes, but rather it's developing further and further and getting better and better. The onboarding process for me was really easy.
Yeah, it was super easy for my team, and actually it was the perfect onboarding and the quickest onboarding, I would say, for a tool.
I want to get to know more and use more because it just makes everyone's life easier.